Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to choose your PC graphics card acceleration in Filmora video editing software. And when you choose a graphics card dedication for your video editing software, it allows you to have smooth and effectively workflow when you are trying to render your video in Filmora. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Filmora video editing software. Having opened up your software, next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on File, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to Preferences. So click on Preferences, and this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to Performance right here. This is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to enable this button. Having enabled this button, then you have to come here, select the graphics card in use. Simply click on here and choose your PC graphics card. And then lastly, you have to come down below right here and then simply click on Apply. And then your GPU rendering and hardware decoding settings have been updated and will take effect the next time you open Wondershare Filmora. Simply click on OK. And with that, you have assigned a graphics card dedicated for Filmora video editing software, and this will enable you to have a smoothly and free workflow when you are editing and rendering your video in Filmora. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Filmora video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.